Hello, thank you for joining me today in mini mindful moving meditation. There's 3 lovely moves today with lots of arm stretching, breathing. So please join me first of all with 2 deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Left hand across your body, scoop it up with a straight arm all the way above your left shoulder, and then allow it to drop down back into your lap. And now the opposite arm. The right arm goes across the body, reaches up. Think about some energy coming out of that palm, and then allow it to drop into your lap. Breathe in as we lift, and breathe out. Breathe in, lift. Breathing out. 5 times. Now I'd like to do one whole move with a breath in. So breathe in, one arm. And breathe out the other arm. Breathe in one arm. Carry on. Lengthen that breath. Opposite move. Breathe in, reach up, down and across and in. Breathe in, across. Sorry, that was wrong. That wasn't opposite. Again. Breathe in, breathe in, and now you breathe out as you reach up, across and down. Breathe in, reach up. Breathe out, reach up. Continue, breathe in. Breathe out. Two more pairs. Last one, breathing out. You can continue the movement as I read your this week's meditation, or you can sit with your palms facing up. Close your eyes and keep breathing, keep moving, or sit with palms up. This week's mantra is keep looking where the light pours in. What are the tiny things that bring you joy? What do you appreciate most about yourself, your partner, your family, the children, your friends, or even co-workers? Remind yourself to look where the light pours in. This is gratitude. Keep looking for the light every morning to live a more joyful, happy life. Repeat, keep looking where the light pours in. Done. The second movement of our meditation is a figure of 8. So I'm going to take our hands. We're going to go first of all round through the centre, over the top. Come around through the centre and to the bottom. That's your figure of 8. Go around with the other hand. Draw a figure of 8 in the air. Mobility of your shoulder, lifting your arm, and breathe in. Left arm breathing in, breathing out on the way down. Breathing in on the way up with the right arm, breathing out. Continue. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathing out. Hello, hello. Continue the movement with your hands, alternate hands. Breathing in, going up. Breathing out, coming down. Close your eyes if you like for the next couple. You know the movement. Breathing in, up. Breathing out, down. The mantra as you move or sit still. Keep looking where the light pours in. next move in meditation is a move out of Shotokai Karate. We're going to take our hands together to make a diamond shape. Thumbs touching, index fingers touching, and you push your hands away from you, looking through the triangle. Lift your spine as you look up through the triangle. I'd like to keep your eyes where they are, but just continue lifting your arms. Take your arms out and make a circle in front of you here. Close the triangle again, palms facing down, look down. Breathe in, breathe out. Turn the triangle, breathe in, extend the arms. Breathe out, make the circle in front of you. We're going to do a few of this breath and then we're going to change the breath, but for now we're going to breathe in, lifting. Breathe out, make the circle. And again, close your eyes if you like. And repeat the mantra. Keep looking where the light pours in. Lovely, so we're at 10 one way, then we're going to reverse it, the breath, sorry. So breathe in before you start. Now breathe out as you lift up, and breathe in as we do the circle. So you can keep your eyes closed, just follow the instructions of the breath. Breathe out to lift the arms, triangle. Breathe in, draw the circle in front of you. Out, lift. Breathe in, circle. So as always, you can carry on doing the move, or you can sit with your palms up. Continue with the meditation for as long as you can, going back to the other two or staying on this one if you prefer. Please stay and continue the meditation.